Hello, my dear ones. Today I want to share one very small and very simple practice how we can to help ourselves in any kind of situation when we starting to feel bad, discomfort from people around us, any negative thoughts in our mind, any negative emotions, or even any kind of physical discomfort, any kind of pain, any kind of illness. When something like this happening with us, how we can to help ourselves? We looking up in sky and we imagine that from sky is downing small drops of rain, shining rain, which is vibration rain, and washing us, downing on us, and washing, cleaning all our negative thoughts, all our negative emotions, all our negative physical feelings, pain or something else, washing from us all bad things what have inside us and which are making us to feel more bad, feeling discomfort, which made us to down in our vibrations, in our energy. Because any negative thought, any negative emotion, it's negative energy, negative vibration. But how we can to help to get up again in high vibrations? It's like this, very easy, very simple practice. We're looking in sky, we imagine that on us are coming rain of vibrations, which are like small drops of rain shining and healing us. With them softly shining touch, with them clean that energy, that vibrations are so clean and connect with our energies, what we have inside. They cleaning us, they healing us, and that's how they can help us to get back in more high vibrations, to get back in good thoughts, in good emotions, in good feelings, in positive, I mean. Because if we have positive thoughts, positive feelings, positive emotions, we are in high energies, in high vibrations, we feeling good. This is important, to feel good. Whenever we feeling that something was downing our vibrations, negative thoughts, negative emotions, something, any people around us was making our mood bad, was making us to feel bad, or any kind of pain in our body, that's how we can to help to ourselves. With vibration rain, imagine that on you coming vibration rain and cleaning you, washing you, taking all that negative things away from you and healing you. Very easy, very simple practice which can make in any moment. Even don't need to go in meditative state to do this. You are somewhere, you just looking up on sky, imagine, and process starting. That's it. Very easy, very simple. Try, and after you will get to feel in yourself have any kind of difference or not.